70mm are one of the market leaders when it comes to dash cams at the moment, and this is their brand new model, the A510. So we're going to talk about it, go through all the installation process in this video today. It's a super kit. I've been very impressed with it over the last couple of weeks or so. Right off the bat, it comes in the box with everything you need to get started. You've got the camera front and rear USB-C cable, a little tool to install those cables around the little nooks and crannies in your car. You actually get 2 of the electrostatic films to stop interference. So if you are switching this from one car to another, you're selling your vehicle soon like I am, then you get 2 of these in the box along with another sticker to install it into another vehicle later on down the line. You get a really comprehensive user manual there, and then if you want to, you can buy the hardwire kit. Now the hardwire kit allows you to put this into your vehicle, into the fuse box, and then gives you 4G connectivity with this little hub here. Now I haven't done that yet because I'm planning on changing my vehicle soon, so when I do change the vehicle, I'll do a whole other video installing this into my new vehicle. Now the installation process looks very easy. 70mm, I've actually got a really good video which I'll link down below about how to install that, and that gives you a bunch of other features that you can't get with just the standard dash cam, because it gives you 4G connectivity, but we'll talk about that in this video today. I'm quite happy though with having it plugged into the 12 volt. It turns on and off with the car. This has a G sensor built in, which is one of my 5 favorite features. Basically, if you're not in the car and you get a knock, or the sensor notices some movement in your car, so somebody reverses into your car and you're not there and plans to drive off, it will start recording immediately and protect your car from sort of drive off and dodgy insurance claims. So that's a fantastic feature that this have. That's one of the top features actually that I've been looking for from a dash cam. If you've got the 4G connectivity, it gives you app live streaming, so you can log in from your phone wherever you are to see what's going on with your device, so you can like track your car. You can actually find my car, which is that if you park it somewhere and you don't know where it is, you can go into the application and it'll take you to your car via a route. Real-time route tracking as well. It logs all the routes for you, so you can log back in afterwards and check the route if you need mileage and stuff like that as well. Those are sort of the smart features you get with the 4G connectivity, but you get a lot with just the dash cam plugged in via 12 volt. Let's just talk about the installation process quickly. I'll show you what my experience was like when I was installing this into my vehicle. So far the fitting process has been fine. I'm actually wiring it through the door here. This is the cable that connects the rear camera to the front camera, so you can get the 2 into the main hub, and then you power it from the main camera, and then the power comes from the main camera to the rear camera. So that's how it works. In the box you actually get 2 of these electrostatic stickers, and you get spare ones as well. So if you want to move this camera from this car to a new car, when you do have a new car, then at least you've got spare stickers and new stickers to actually attach this to your windscreen as well. So they come in the box as well. That's nice to have. Seems that it's not just restricted to one car. You've got stickers. Oop. Now for wiring the power cable from here, which is USB-C to USB-A, but you get the 12 volt adapter plug in the box. So what I'm trying to do is attempt to wire it all the way around to the back of the car, so I've got no cables plugged into the front 12 volts, because I've got a 12 volt in the rear seats, which I don't actually use. So I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to actually wire it that way around, maybe underneath the seat, and try and find some spot for this to go into the rear plug, and that'll make things a lot neater. So I've got the power cable all the way around to the edge and down the door pillar and underneath this door to actually plug it in at the back there. Don't know if you can see it. There's a 12 volt there. It was actually a little bit of a stretch, so you could wire it possibly to the front and you'd have plenty of wire available, but because I wanted to wire it to the back for power, it was just a stretch. It did fit, but only just. You could buy a USB-A to USB-A extender to make sure you get some more cable, and I actually might do that afterwards, but at the moment we're set up. Everything's on, front and rear camera is powered on. It's got a driver ADAS system built in as well. You turn that on in the menu, it comes off in default, so if you want to drive into the app and turn that on, it gives you lane departure warnings, it gives you front vehicle start warnings, and it gives you front vehicle collision warnings. It basically adds a radar to your car and gives you that extra bit of safety, which is great. You can turn that off if you don't want it beeping at you every now and again. That's not a problem, it is available to turn off, but for me, I'd have it turned on. It gives you that extra bit of protection when you're driving around these very busy roads in the UK at the moment.
Caution, front car. Vehicle ahead motion detected.
It's got that Starvis 2 camera sensor in there. That's like a Sony sensor. Very good image, crystal clear image quality, front and back, and then night vision as well. So it's just as clear in night. So if you have any problems at night, you need to read number plates or whatever, you can see that as well. It's got a picture-in-picture mode if you want to have both pictures on the screen, so you can see the front and rear at just a glance at the device. And it gives you also instant app alerts to your app. If someone else is driving the car, it'll give you updates throughout the day. So this whole system has been super good. I've been very impressed with it, and let me just run through the app quickly to show you what the app is like and what sort of things you can get out of it and the settings you can change. So we're inside of the application. Let me show you exactly what you can do inside of here. This is the dashboard you're greeted with. You've got the camera in the front bit there. You can press these three dots there to change the device name, upgrade the firmware and whatnot, and then manage the 4G module. At the moment it's unbound because I haven't installed it in this one as of yet. You can add 4G here on the left hand side, and then we can connect to the camera via the Wi-Fi hotspot to log in, and you can change all the different settings. So let's just do that quickly. You hear the little click, so it's connected. We're joining the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see the front view. We can switch it so we can have a full view like that. We can switch the camera around so we can look behind, so that's the rear view. We can actually start recording via the application. Recording is off. We can take a snapshot. Taking a snapshot. Then we can go into the album. The device will stop recording when you go into the album, and these are all of the videos that I've got on here. So emergency videos we've got on here, and then we've got all videos. So this is all videos it's recorded. We've got rain, we've got my wife at the office, and all these different things that you can go through to actually download. So you can see my wife's gone to the shops on here and it's parked. It records the footage after she's parked, just to keep the car safe after she's left the vehicle. And that's a really nice feature that I really do like about that. So all of these are on here, and you can of course download them as well to your phone's device. What we're going to do is go back here, timeline. This is a timeline of the day. Basically gives you a run from start to finish of some of the most important things that it thinks that you should be looking at, and the stuff that it's recorded, and you can go through dates as well here. So those are the dates that we've recorded, and then you go to the settings of the camera itself. You can turn the video high compression to low compression, the video settings. You can change the resolution. You can change the video clip to 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. Then we can do demisting. So, you know, if it gets cold in the winter or whatever, it can actually automatically demist, which is wicked. You can add a speed watermark, coordinates watermark, and the 17 May logo. We've got anti-flicker, mirror rotation. Live view is available upon power on. We've got parking security 2 hours. So there's 2 hours worth of parking security there. Collision detection, time-lapse photography, emergency video, ADS, which is a lane assist. You can have that on or off, totally your choice. Sound settings we can change to medium, record audio off, ketone, and then there's a bunch of other different settings here. You can auto turn off after stop. I've got that actually set for 5 minutes, and then we've got the system, date, speed, positioning, status, and stuff like that. So that is all in the device settings. I'm going to exit the home page. Up here we can change the different local albums. We can check out the cloud album. You can drive en route. There's no driving route yet. Messages and other settings on here. And then on the right hand side we've got here we can add another device if you want to. So that is the application. I like the fact we can go in there and we can download the footage directly to your phone's device. If you've got it connected to 4G, you can log in the app anywhere you are via 4G and see the live location, the live routing, the live video feed from your camera. So if you want to do that, that is perfectly fine. That you can do that. You have that option with that camera. But for me, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have it battery powered, and then if I need to download some footage, I know I've got the peace of mind that it's actually saved on the camera anyway, on the car, so then I can download it later on. I don't need to see the live routing and stuff like that, so I'm not really fussed about that. But apart from that, fantastic app, works very well. Really impressed with this camera so far. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll be fitting the 4G connectivity later on in another video, probably further on down the line. It won't be long. My car's done about 130,000 miles, so I'm due to change it. So that'll be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, overall I've been very impressed with this dash cam. The 70mm are one of Europe's leading manufacturers. They sell a hell of a lot of these and know what they're doing. This is a really good quality kit, and it's not only a one-time kit. You can use this, you know, with the extra electrostatic stickers and the fitting stickers, and the fact that it's easy to fit and unfit. You can change it from vehicle to vehicle. It will last you a lifetime theoretically. So yeah, it's a great device. I fully recommend it. If you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below. If I've got any coupon codes or anything, I'll link that down there as well, and in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe. I've got lots of cool content coming really soon, and if you want to know anything about the A510 dashcam from 70mm, let me know in the comments. I really do appreciate it. But until next time, that's it for this one. I'll see you soon. Safe driving.